Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and most innovative products on the market. Today, we have a fascinating device to discuss: the TAMOSH Signal Booster 3.5mm 6DBI jack external antenna for mobile cell phone. This external antenna is designed to enhance your mobile phone's signal strength and improve connectivity, especially in areas with weak network reception. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, benefits, and how it can potentially solve your signal-related problems. The TAMOSH Signal Booster is an external antenna designed for mobile cell phones. It features a 3.5mm jack that easily connects to most smartphones and devices. The 6DBI antenna amplifies your phone's signal, ensuring a more stable and stronger connection. It comes in a sleek black color and is made of durable ABS and copper materials. The antenna's compact size, measuring 5.51 by 1.97 by 0.39 inches, makes it portable and easy to carry around. One of the key benefits of this product is its simplicity to install. Just plug the 3.5mm jack into your phone's headphone port, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup or tools required, making it user-friendly for everyone. The TAMOSH Signal Booster is designed to boost your mobile phone's signal strength. Whether you're in a remote area with poor reception or experiencing dropped calls at home, this antenna can help. By providing a more robust signal, you'll experience fewer call drops and faster data speeds. This external antenna is compatible with a wide range of mobile devices, making it versatile. It can work with various smartphones, tablets, and even some mobile hotspots. Before purchasing, ensure your device has a 3.5mm headphone jack for compatibility. When you purchase the TAMOSH Signal Booster, you'll receive the antenna itself. The package includes everything you need to get started. No additional accessories are required. The TAMOSH Signal Booster is available for purchase on Amazon.com. Prices may vary, so be sure to check the current pricing options before making your purchase. Unfortunately, there are no customer reviews available for this product at the moment. Keep in mind that as with any product, it's essential to consider user feedback and ratings when making a decision. In conclusion, the TAMOSH Signal Booster 3.5mm 6DBI jack external antenna for mobile cell phone is a promising solution to improve your mobile phone's signal strength. Its easy installation, wide compatibility, and potential to eliminate signal-related issues make it a product worth considering. While there are no customer reviews currently available, the features and benefits it offers make it an intriguing option for those in need of better mobile connectivity. That wraps up our review of the TAMOSH Signal Booster. If you've tried this product or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews.